Hello, Magadini, Sanbonani. My name is Bruce Chumba, and welcome to ZIMTING Tv, a channel dedicated to sharing the Zimbabwean story. We will be exploring the Zimbabwean culture, Zimbabwean art, Zimbabwean tradition, Zimbabwean languages, and the Zimbabwean stories around the world. We'll be sharing Zimbabwean music, Zimbabwean TV shows, Zimbabwean books being written, Zimbabwean paintings, all types of arts and crafts coming out of Zimbabwe. The story behind those uh, arts and crafts, everything, current affairs, showbiz, business, how to's as a Zimbabwean, or how to explore Zimbabwe, travel Zimbabwe, communicate with the Zimbabwean, all of it. So not to miss out on the Zimbabwean awesomeness, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell and select all so that you get notified each time we upload a video, be it music, be it reaction reviews, all of that, you get notified. Just select all for your own good sake. Okay? And ZIMTING to the world. See you soon.